Let's talk about one of the most incredible rags to riches stories ever.
And this quote, it really sets the stage. This is about someone who wasn't afraid to fail. So, back in the early 90s, J.K. Rowling's life, well, it was a world away from magic. Seriously, she described herself at the time as, quote, the biggest failure I knew. But then, stuck on a delayed train, an idea sparked. A pretty magical one, actually.
You know, this story wasn't just a story. It became her escape, her entire focus.
So she finishes the manuscript. But now came the really hard part, getting it published. How many major publishers rejected her? 12. 12 of them said no. Their reasons? Too long. Kids' books don't sell. They just didn't get it. So with every door slammed shut, it really looked like the magic was over. But nope, not even close. Because one single opinion was about to change everything.
A small publisher, Bloomsbury, finally decided to take a chance on her.
And get this, it was a kid who saw the magic that all the experts had missed.
And that one yes, it came with a pretty small advance, just £1,500.
What followed was, well, one of the fastest and biggest literary explosions ever. I mean, just look at this. The sales numbers absolutely dwarfed other fantasy giants. As you can imagine, J.K. Rowling's life was completely transformed in every single way.
The contrast between where she started and where she is now, it's just staggering. She actually says that hitting rock bottom was the solid foundation she needed to succeed.
It really makes you wonder, right? How many great ideas are just waiting for one yes?